All right, you're welcome today on information. Remember, when you are ready to learn, we are also ready to teach you here on information. All right, today on information, we're going to show you how you can withdraw from Cheelee. Okay, let's start. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to get on this earn menu. So when you get to earn menu, the second thing is you have to go to wallet. So when you tap on wallet, let's tap on wallet. When you tap on wallet, it will bring you here. So now, from what we have here, we have 3.211 Lee. So and it cost $6.41. So the first thing you're going to do is to tap on this Lee. You tap here. That is the first thing you're going to do. You tap on Lee. When you tap on Lee, the next thing you will say is sell Lee. Remember, we are talking about how to withdraw from Lee, from your Cheelee account. That is what we are treating today on information. All right, so before we continue, I would like you to like and follow, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Information. And as you do that, thank you, because we're going to be posting things, interesting things like how other legit ways to earn cash online, and the rest of it, and life hacks and all. Okay, let's continue. Just remember to subscribe, comment, and you can share. Thank you. All right, now you tap on sale. When you tap on sale, it will load, and when it loads, it will take us to this place. All right, so this is where it will bring us. All right, now what you're going to do is this amount that you can see here, this Lee amount, and you should also tap here and select how many Lee that you want to sell. Remember, what you have here is the least you can sell from. Limit is from 1.29 to 35 Lee. So that is it. And what I have here now is 3.21 Lee. All right, let me say maybe I want to withdraw everything here. So I'll say 3.21 Lee. That is what I want to withdraw. Then you come down to currency and you select your country's currency or the one you want to go with. All right, now these are the only options that are available, the countries that are available, and at the moment, I'm not just at the moment, I'm in Nigeria. See, so I'll select Nigeria because I want to withdraw it in Nigerian currency. All right, I'll tap on Nigeria, then input the Lee amount again. All right, I'll leave it on bank transfer. Okay, then you scroll down. The next thing you're going to tap on is confirm. Now before you confirm, you see where they wrote you receive. This is the amount in naira, that is 7,343 naira 9 kobo. That is the how much, that is the amount I'm going to be getting. Understand? Then they will take their 30% commission, and this is price per Lee. So that is it. Now the next thing you're going to do is just to tap on confirm. All right, so now I'll tap on confirm and say confirm. All right, it will load and give you this. Now you have to select from any of these browsers. I'll go with Chrome and say just once. All right, now after that, this is what you're going to see. Now the first paragraph said you should enter your IBAN. Your IBAN is your bank account. You understand? Your IBAN is your bank account. Then you input your email, input your first name, your last name. Remember, it will be the same thing with the email you're using for your Cheelee. so that we won't have any complications, you understand. So that's it. So just make it the same. Now you input your phone number, then you select your bank. Now for security purpose, I'm going to input all these things and uh, get back to you. But before then, remember, this is just the way it is. You have to input your account number, your email, first name, last name, just the way it is in your bank account, then phone number, then you select the bank. That is that. That just that about that. Then you tap on continue payment. This right here. You tap on continue payment. So that is it. So let me do it, and upon confirmation, I'll show you guys. So now let me do it. See you guys. Okay, so I've done that. Done all that needed to be done, and as you can see, it's saying pending right here. So in a few minutes, I'm going to get the alert of the payment. All right. So that is it. It's still on pending. So now let's refresh and see what it will show us here. Okay, let's just tap on done. Done. All right. So let's refresh and see. Okay. Okay. So I've refreshed it and you can see it again, so that means our order has been confirmed. All right, as you can see. Okay, so this is it. This is the proof that our money have landed. It has been paid. All right, so that is it about how to withdraw money from Cheelee. All right. Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I believe you learned something from this video. Like I said before, like our video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on Facebook. And you won't be missing all the important things. Remember, in information, we share things like life hacks, legit ways to earn money online, and the rest of it. Understand? So thank you very much for your time, and see you next in our next video. Have a nice day. Bye.